Housing Scenario by myself, Alicia Dirks. For the family that I interviewed, their functional requirements were that they are a 5-person family, mom, a dad, and 3 children under the age of 10. So they are going to require a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. They also need a office space because the mom works from home. They need to be out in the country due to the animals that they have. And non-functional requirements. They need high-speed internet. They can work with slower internet, but high-speed is preferred. Land acreage. They would like land acreage, but it's not a necessity. They would also like an extra shop area, or I should say the dad would like an extra shop area and a 2+ car garage for each of their vehicles. They also would like a finished basement. The dad wants a finished basement / man cave for his sporting events. The mom wants a separate office space for working at home. Both the mom and the dad want 2+ car garages for their vehicles, seeing as how they both have one, and futuristically the children will have one when they get older. The dad wants an extra shop for toy storage, such as his Harley, and the family wants acreage for hunting and room for the children to play. Proposed floor plan layout. This is an example of one of the floor plans that we looked at. This would just be the main floor, so there's the 3 bedrooms, living room, dining room, 3-car garage. There's a living porch, a screened porch, a separate study, and then the bathrooms don't exactly show, but there is one that goes up of the main bathroom. And then there would be another one downstairs, and then there's one in between bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. And then the basement also would have the man cave. The school district, that is not necessarily the most important, but they don't want to move out of the current school district they're in. So this is just the district's report card where they currently are. Recently sold homes. Here was just a few that we looked at that did meet the requirements of the family. Each of them was at least 3 bedrooms, at least 2 bathrooms, that had a finished basement. Although one was a little above the $200,000 price point, it is something that possibly could have been worked around. This is just to show that what they're looking for is possible within their budget. 2 of these 3 also had acreage with the house, which would be a plus for the family. Plus they have at least a 2-car garage. So buying a house, we would have the family, so which would be mom, dad, and the 3 children under the age of 10. The real estate agent who's going to be responsible for searching for the homes, scheduling house showings. And then there's going to be the banker / loan agent who's going to be responsible for the pre-approval as well as finalizing all the financing, all the paperwork for the home, and wrapping everything up in a nutshell. So futuristic selling of the home, if they were to want to sell eventually. When they are ready to sell, if they decide to sell, it'll be the mom, the dad. If there's any children left at the home, if they have not moved out at this time, we obviously don't know what their ages will be at that time. They do not plan on selling until the kids are grown. They have their own jobs, they're out on their own. So they plan on being here for a while, seeing as how all the kids are under the age of 10. The real estate agent will again be present to help them through this process, and they will also again be using the banker and loan agent to assist with selling the home and purchasing the new home. And at this time, there also will be the family who buys the home.